Is your Samsung TV showing a dark screen? Don't worry, I've got you covered with 6 methods to fix this issue. Step 1. Check the power supply. Ensure your TV is properly plugged in and receiving power. Try plugging it into a different outlet to rule out any power issues. Step 2. Inspect the HDMI connections. Loose or faulty HDMI cables can cause display problems. Disconnect and reconnect all HDMI cables to ensure a secure connection. Try different HDMI ports and cables if available. Step 3. Adjust picture settings. Navigate to your TV settings menu and adjust the brightness and contrast settings. Resetting the picture settings to default might also help. Step 4. Update the TV firmware. Outdated firmware can cause display issues. Go to the settings menu, check for software updates, and install any available updates. Step 5. Perform a soft reset. Turn off the TV, unplug it from the power source, and wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This can often resolve display issues. Step 6. Check for hardware issues. If the above methods don't work, there might be a hardware problem. Inspect the TV for any visible damage, and consider contacting Samsung support for professional assistance.